हेलो एवरीवन। आज है 22 दिसंबर और कल के मार्केट के फॉल के बाद आज मार्केट में क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन हो सकती है उसका डिटेल एनालिसिस हमने लाइव मार्केट में किया है। इस वीडियो का आप एंड तक देखोगे तो आपको आइडिया आएगा कि किस हिसाब से लोअर लेवल से बैंक निफ्टी में बाउंस हो सकता है, उसका क्या आइडेंटिफिकेशन था, किस हिसाब से हमारे ऑप्शंस को मर्ज कर पाए और किस हिसाब से हम ट्रेड कर पाए वो आपको जानने को मिलेगा। सो ये वीडियो आप एंड तक देखिए। हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है यज्ञेश पटेल और आज एक और ऑप्शंस के लाइव वीडियो के साथ मैं आपके साथ हाजिर हुआ हूँ। इसमें हम देखेंगे कि बैंक निफ्टी में कल के फॉल के बाद क्या मोमेंटम हो सकता है, कैसे ऐसे सिग्नल्स से अर्ली जो हमको एक आइडेंटिफिकेशन दिया कि हम मॉर्निंग में जैसे ही गैप डाउन के साथ मार्केट नीचे गिरने की स्टार्ट हुआ तो तुरंत पुट बाय न करते हुए किस तरीके से हमने वेट कर सकते हैं वो मैंने इसमें डिटेल में दिखाया है। तो आपका ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए चलिए स्क्रीन के ऊपर। Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. This is at 11:23 in the morning and we have seen a great fall yesterday session in Bank Nifty. This is the 15-minute time frame Bank Nifty spot price chart, and right now in the morning it has formed one low here to yesterday's near to yesterday's low, and now trying to test today's trading session low here. So need to be careful because the structure is not that much good. Might possible we will see some kind of bounce here because mainly reason is there is a positive divergence here on the Bank Nifty RSI. If we can check on a higher time frame, 30-minute time frame, then it's clearly visible this is the low and this is not a low. So expecting a one bounce back, that could be a good opportunity for buying puts or maybe for short selling at this support zone. Previously yesterday low is a support zone, so kindly avoid any shorting here because we expecting some kind of pullback here. Okay, so I will update if any trade comes or any good further momentum comes. I will update you. So let's meet. Hello, and let's check one look at Bank Nifty 15-minute time frame. We have seen the low, yesterday low has been broken again. In the morning, we have seen a new low formation here. Right now, Bank Nifty is trading below this previous day trading session low. So that's not a good sign, by the way. And if we can take on a smaller time frame, so there has been a price rejection on the previous day low. So that's not a good sign. May possible some kind of more momentum here possible, but on a 30-minute higher time frame we expect a few small bounce backs, and then only we will take a proper entry in any of the trade if we find any good opportunity. So right now directly we are not jumping to the any puts trade, so we are waiting. It is 11:35 in the morning and I will continue this recording and will update you if any opportunity arise. As we expected, let's check some review, and we have seen a good breakout downside and this is a bounce back. Expecting a price to reject somewhere here, then it will be a good area, or otherwise it can be rejected at this area, so that could be a possible area. So waiting for more bounce to come in Bank Nifty. If it is coming, then we will take trade only. Otherwise you can use spread trades in options if you are not okay with the naked position. Okay, so we will wait for some more time and I will give update if is there any. Right now we can see Bank Nifty below the previous day low, but one small bounce back on 15-minute time frame we have seen, and price is trying to rejecting here. Let me convert this to 5-minute time frame. and we will see uh, the slope of the moving average is down, but very importantly there is a positive divergence here. And if we can count on 30-minute time frame, again we have seen about one positive divergence, so expecting a bounce. That's why we are not creating any bearish trade here, and we will wait for some more time. If we get chance, then we will trade, otherwise we will leave, and we're just waiting for good opportunity. Okay, so let me update you after some time. It is 12 in the afternoon, and we have seen one bullish candle here after the this breakout on downside. But as we have seen bullish divergence here, so might possible some kind of sideways will be a move, or maybe some kind of small bounce back. If the small bounce back comes, then this is a good opportunity, and we will find out the put options buying opportunity. Otherwise we will wait. uh, काफी लोग यहाँ पे एक गलती करते हैं कि यहाँ पे बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस दिख रहा है आफ्टर बिग ट्रेंड, सो वो एक बाउंस बैक एक्सपेक्टेशन में कॉल ऑप्शंस बाइंग करते हैं. सो होता क्या है कि कॉल ऑप्शंस बाइंग तो कर लेते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस, बट मार्केट में जरूरी नहीं है कि डाइवर्जेंस दिखा तो वो बाउंस देगा ही देगा. इसीलिए हम वेट कर रहे हैं. इफ वी विल फाइंड एनी बाउंस बैक, देन इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शॉर्ट सेल और मे बी फॉर पुट ऑप्शंस. बट इफ यू बॉट हियर कॉल ऑप्शंस, तो क्या होता है कि मार्केट अगर साइडवेज हो गया तो आपका जो कॉल ऑप्शंस का जो प्रीमियम है वो इरोडेड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, वो कम होने लगेगा. इसलिए यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस बाइंग में कॉल ऑप्शंस नहीं कर सकते, वेट करेंगे. बाउंस बैक मिला प्रॉपर्ली रेजिस्टेंस पे, तो फिर पुट ऑप्शंस का हम सोचेंगे. अदरवाइज हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे काफी टाइम यहाँ पे वो साइडवेज में ही चला जाए और आपका पैसा फिर से लग जाए. इसलिए ये गलती मत करिए. काफी रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स जो ट्रेडर्स जो होते हैं, जो ऑप्शंस में नए नए सीखे होते हैं, तो वो लोग यही गलती करते हैं कि इतना बड़ा बाउंस फॉल हुआ है तो एक बाउंस आएगा तो मैं कॉल में पैसा बना लूंगा. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, इसलिए वेट करिए. एंड आई विल अपडेट इफ एनी बाउंस कम्स, देन इफ वी टेक एनी ट्रेड, अदरवाइज वी विल वेट जस्ट. Hello everyone, and this is 12:38 in the afternoon, and we have observing a bounce in Bank Nifty. Uh, Earlier we have discussed about somewhere here, might be it will give some downfall, but eventually we will expecting a good bounce here. And exactly what happened at 12:39, 12:38 in the afternoon, we have observing a good bounce. जो जैसे हमने मार्केट में मॉर्निंग में एक ऑब्जर्वेशन रखा था कि एक बाउंस बैक ड्यू है. अगर वो होता है और यहाँ पे कहीं पे रिजेक्ट होता है, प्राइस रिजेक्शन दिखता है, then we will try to trade ahead of put options. But we are purely right now avoiding the call options to trade in this bounce also. ठीक है, कल का एक फॉल था, मॉर्निंग में भी एक फॉल ही दिखा है. एक एक बाउंस बैक ड्यू है मार्केट में, वो देखने को मिल रहा है अभी हमको. See how the Bank Nifty from the lower level of 28,980 to almost 29,304. अगर मैं लो से काउंट करूं तो it has given almost 300 point bounce back. ठीक है, we are waiting, and I will update if any good opportunity arise for bearish side. Let me wait for some time. And as expected, we did analysis, might possible we will face some kind of resistance here, and exactly forming on 15-minute time frame shooting star candlestick. And if you can check 29,200 put option, which is trading around right now 300 level, 304, and form a very good candlestick around 246 is the low. You can see this is a good support area here. So possibly it's a good entry here. So we will wait for further confirmation to take a trade input side of 29,200 put option. So let me continue the session. So right now we have seen some kind of bearish momentum at on a bounce here, and if we can check the 29,200 put option, which is trading around 325. So waiting for right opportunity. If we get somewhere a lower side here, then we will take entry in this put option. And uh, market is also behaving sell on a rise. We have seen a good bounce and not cross this swing high as well. And if you can check on a smaller time frame, then this is the moving average resistance also faced by the bank nifty, and we are waiting right now to get a good opportunity. Okay, I will update. Bank nifty right now, it is not going above the swing high and forming a bearish candle here. And as we expect on a bounce, we may see some kind of selling again. So we are waiting. And if you can check the 29,200 put option, which is trading around 300 level, is a good area to enter here, and keeping your stop loss somewhere here low here and waiting for some kind of movement. Then we will see, and I will update you what happen next. It's 1:42 in the afternoon, and as expected, we have seen a good bounce in Bank Nifty from lower levels. If you can count, it already given almost 450 point bounce from lower levels. Right now, it is testing the previous resistance two times and going above the resistance. So we are waiting that we get any chance, and if here we could have hit the stop loss because of this sudden move here, a very small stop loss of 20 points, 20, 25 points here, because of this is a good move. So still it is not giving a good signals whether it's a bullish or bearish, but we can see this is a bounce back on this down move. We could simply say this is a good bounce back. So let's check what happened next, and I will continue this screen recording so you can get idea. So one more update. This is 1:50 in the afternoon, and we have seen the previous swing has been broken out here, and market the bank nifty is not trying to go down and testing the again upside resistance one more time. So this indicates that market is not the price momentum is not in the favor of bearish movement right now, and as we expect, this is a good fall and expecting a bounce. So that's why we are not focusing right now on call options, and market will remain in sideways to negative to sideways bias because of a few open interest data plus this price action. So I hope you have learned, and we have did some small trade here trying to do put options buying here because of this price rejection at this area, but suddenly this move has keep our stop loss hit, and that's why we are out of the trade with a small loss in 29,200 put option. So let's check, and we will check. Mostly we will not take trade now because the price action is not in favor right now for bearish momentum. And let's say what happened, and I will keep update you. Once again, the Nifty bank Nifty momentum, and we have identified over this area and we have seen a good bounce back. We tried to catch a trade here on this swing, but unfortunately stop loss has been hit, and that was a very small trade and our stop loss hit. Then again at this swing low, Bank Nifty is facing resistance, and then we have seen sharp fall, and this fall is almost around, let's say, 220 points. So that's the way we are waiting, but unfortunately we trade very early here, and then Bank Nifty moved somewhere here, and this is a purely good bounce back and expected a few bearish momentum in next couple of days because of this setup. And we are going to focus only on put options or maybe spread trades, because naked put options we have seen a very high momentum in Bank Nifty, so your stop loss will be given out. So that's why focusing on put options buying. So that's it from my side, and let's meet on outer video.
आप सबने पूरा वीडियो देख लिया होगा एंड आपको क्लियरली आइडिया आया होगा कि किस हिसाब से काफ़ी बार हमको वेट करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। स्पेशली ऑप्शंस में अगर आपको अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढना है तो पेशेंस होना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। काफ़ी ऐसे ट्रेडर्स होते हैं जो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी जो मिलती है उसको मिस कर जाते हैं, और जहाँ पे हमको ट्रेड ना लेना चाहिए वहीं पे ट्रेड को एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं। उस हिसाब से एंट्री और एग्जिट गलत होने की वजह से काफ़ी बार नुकसान भी होता है। तो इस वीडियो से मैं आशा रखता हूँ आपको एक अंदाज़ा आया होगा कि किस हिसाब से आपको वेट करना चाहिए, प्रॉपर अपॉर्चुनिटी है तभी ट्रेड करना चाहिए, और कब ट्रेड न करना चाहिए वो भी आपको सीखने को मिला होगा। आशा रखता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। वेट फॉर माय अनदर वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच।